Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. In today's video we are going to talk about Amazon. Amazon.com. How to get success on Amazon and what is the reason behind the failures on Amazon and what is the success rate of sellers on Amazon. These 3 points we are going to confirm in today's video. So let's start. First of all, we are going to talk about the Amazon success rate. What is the success rate? How many sellers are achieving their goals and how many sellers are failing? So let's start. I have googled it and I found this Amazon success rate, that success as an Amazon seller is accessible to very nearly everyone. 76% of Amazon sellers. Yes, 76% of Amazon sellers are achieving success because they are spending more and more time on learning. And in every video I recommend that learning is earning. Why? Because the experience we get from learning help us in increase our earning. So remember, whenever you start any business, first of all learn about it. After it, because learning helps a lot. And now I have also searched for why do Amazon sellers fail. So let's read about it. Most of the failures are due to lack of experience and knowledge. The same thing I am repeating after and after again. The sellers who are trying to gain profit from Amazon without learning the techniques and methods of Amazon are failing again and again. So what are the steps we should follow before starting Amazon dropshipping business? The step is this: learn. Before starting any business, learn about it as much as possible, because learning helps a lot. In next video, I will suggest you some online institutes that are teaching Amazon and dropshipping business. If you want to start your business, then you will need to have 100% accurate knowledge about it. If you don't have knowledge, then you can hire someone from Fiverr.com for your business. Here you can hire any person from any country. Let's suppose I am searching Amazon VA, Amazon Virtual Assistant. As you can see, there is 2856 services available. It means there is a lot of people are selling these services worldwide. So if you don't want to learn and you don't have time to learn, then I will suggest you to hire someone from here and get his services. So that's all for today. In today's video we have learned about the reason behind failure of Amazon sellers. So that's all for today. See you soon in the next video. Hit like, share and subscribe. Bye.